It's time for Play of the Day.
Oh, that's right. It is time for Play of the Day. Hey, Captain Snazzy,
Yes.
I think that we could probably do today's activity because it's to design the coolest pair of summer thongs.
Whoa! Oh, that is super fashionable. Oh, and here are our art studios right here, ready to go. Thank you, Space Computer. Amazing. So you can do so many things with your crafting of your thongs. If you just have paper, you could just draw some thongs and design them however you like. Or if you have some like cardboard and crafty things, you can craft a pair of thongs. Or even if you have a spare pair of thongs that is okay with mum and dad for you to decorate, you can decorate your own thongs. Like that one had all water balloons tied around it.
Were they water balloons?
They were little water balloons. How cool did that look?
That's so clever. Oh my goodness.
Really cool. I know, and then you could still wear it in the water because the water balloons would be, ask a big person first. Absolutely. Thanks, Space Computer.
Now, Captain Snazzy, what do we need to do this Play of the Day?
Well, I think we're going to have a go at the middle one, the crafting our own thongs. So we need some scissors, we need some cardboard, we need maybe some string or some pipe cleaners or even some textures and things to decorate with. Oh, look at that. Wow. And you've got some stickers as well for decorating.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, amazing. And I have got a bit of some similar things. I've got a little bit of cardboard from an old spaghetti box, and I've got some scissors and some sticky tape and some textures and a little bit of paper because I don't have any pipe cleaners. So I thought I could make the thong straps with this paper. We'll have a go.
Very clever thinking, Captain Snazzy. Great job.
Well, thank you. Amazing. Well, if you have got some crafty things there, you could craft along with us, or maybe you could send in some craft to us later. We always love to see it.
All right. Well, I'm going to cut some jelly beans out of these pieces of cardboard to make the bottom shape of my thong. What do you reckon?
That is so clever. They do look a bit like jelly beans, don't they? All right. We're drawing some little jelly bean thong shapes on our cardboard here. Did you know that lots of people have different names for thongs on Earth? There's some people call them thongs, and then other people call them flip-flops.
Flip-flops?
I know.
Well, as you can see, I have cut out my 2 little jelly beans.
Oh, good work. I'm still cutting mine. Oh, look at those little jelly beans.
Those people on the chat there, I'm wondering, I've got these beautiful thongs here, but they're brown. And I was wondering, can someone give me a cool color to color in my thongs? So if you guys want to pop that into the chat, let me know what color you'd like to see my thongs. And I'll pick one of the colors from whatever comes through and I'll color it in. I've got all the colors.
Doing it. Ooh, oh, okay. I've got my 2 thongs ready to go.
Well, Tam has come back very, very quickly with purple and yellow. So I'm thinking I might do a purple and yellow pair. I've got some yellow pipe cleaners. So maybe I'll do purple bases and I'll do yellow pipe cleaner for the top.
That sounds so cool. And Team Lilypad has said rainbow. Oh, so I might do my thongs rainbow colours. I'll see how many colours I can put on there.
Oh, yeah. Now, I am using some scissors here. So it's it's probably a good idea if you need someone to come and help you to do some cutting out, because I have just poked a little hole in here with my scissors and I've cut around the outside. So if you need help from an adult, you must go and ask for someone to come and help you with it, okay?
Amazing, absolutely. Ask a big person first, says Space Computer. Space Computer is programmed to have all the wisdom about craft, which is great. This colouring is going so well, and I think soon we're going to attach our straps. I don't know, they're called straps, the thong, the bit that your foot goes through in the thong.
Yeah, I think they are straps. And we said yesterday on the show that they are, some people might call them pluggers. So,
Oh wow, look at that. Oh my goodness.
look, I put some little like thong hold, some little like straps on. How cool are they?
Is so cool. Is that one pipe cleaner that goes through both ways?
Yeah, what I did was I folded my pipe cleaner in half, and then what I did was I poked it through the hole. I'll show you. So we've got the hole there. I've bent my pipe cleaner in half, so it was a long one, and I bent it in half, and then I poked that through the hole like this, and then I'll bend them around, and then underneath I'm going to slide them through that little hole there.
Wow.
And the other one through the other hole there. Can you see all that? And then I'm just going to twist it all together. And then I just have to bend it in the right direction. And then I've got myself some cool little thongs.
That is so cool. Oh my goodness.
Come away.
Oh. Absolutely amazing. I'm going to make my straps. I don't have any paper cleaners, so I'm going to make them out of these little strips of paper.
That's a great idea.
Got 4 strips like this. And then I'm going to go cut across the top. And I hope they're long enough. Snip, snip, snip.
Oh, they're going to be great.
Excellent. So then I've got 4 bits of paper, and I'm going to use my sticky tape to stick them on. Let's see how we go. Okay, so I might do a little fold in my paper.
Oh.
So it's a bit folded under. And I'm going to stick that bit there. Oh, I've got a really big piece of sticky tape for this job, but that's all right. You can never have too much sticky tape, I think.
No, never.
Never. Okay, that's stuck there really good. And then I'm going to just bring it back here and stick it again on the bottom.
That looks great. Oh, Captain, let's have a look at your thongs.
Oh, look at them go! They're little rainbow thongs. And I love how they're so small, they almost fit my fingers. And I can walk around with them. La, 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 la.
Oh, they look amazing.
Oh, so cool. And let's look at yours. Yours looks so cool with all the star stickers.
Here they are.
Whoa.
I stuck I had some little stickers, so I stuck them all across the little straps. So when I put them on, I look like I've got stars on my feet.
You do.